How can we go wrong taking the 1960 Strato-Chief for a short drive? Myles has to get back to his actual life, and I'm going to go home and play with Frankers and have some lunch and come back. So Myles dropped me off, and since he wasn't looking, I grabbed the keys and I'm driving. Might as well see what the competition was up to, having driven the Plymouth on the way over here. And the Plymouth is driving very well, so let's see what you got for your General Motors money in 1960. Although the Fury would have cost substantially more than this car. This is a 6-cylinder stick shift car, and the Fury is a V8 automatic car. And this thing's pretty base. See you later.
Taking off?
Oh, well, you got me, so. The Plymouth Fury has power steering. Already a superior machine.
You're already getting there, eh? Like, oh, I don't want to drive base vehicles anymore. Right. This is bullshit.
Like my automatic Fury, thanks. It's a floaty old boat.
Little on the dangerous side. Like, I don't recommend changing lanes.
I don't know.
The emergency lane change.
No, I just don't know. I mean, it's not worn out. It's just that's how they work.
Yeah.
The steering is pretty slow though. Yeah. Holy, grabbing big handfuls, eh?
Well, it's nice that it goes like 18 turns lock to lock, right?
Yeah, she's a floater, but it doesn't, you know, it's not a handful.
No.
Like, it's happy enough to cruise down.
It's fairly predictable.
Yeah, absolutely. It's predictably wallowy.
It has a gyrating hula hoop effect when you're on a clover leaf and you hit a bump. I love the font that they use in the writing for the emblem, Strato-Chief.
Yeah.
It's very nice. Sometimes it's good when you're stopped, and sometimes you're sitting at a red light and you go to put it in and
oh, if you're in a hurry, no, you have to put it in neutral and let the clutch out in neutral. You almost double clutch it first.
Right.
Yeah. No, if you sit in the light in neutral and the light turns green and you gotta be in first. Like, pull the clutch, wait first.
Oh, is that it?
Yeah, because you gotta wait for everything to stop spinning around. There's no synchros in first or reverse. Only synchro in second and third. Yeah, because I believe the clutch disc itself is still spinning, right?
That's what I'm thinking, yeah.
And everything's spinning on that release bearing.
Yeah.
So there's a lot of momentum there, and you gotta wait for it to slow down.
Right.
So yeah, if I'm in the Fraser, I make sure that I've gone through my whole let's get first gear ready and kind of
waiting for the light to turn
green. Yeah, so the light changes, I'm like, fucking let's go, because it's everything you can do to just barely stay up in traffic. It's in third gear by the end of the intersection.
Is it?
Oh yeah. The ride's good though. I mean,
yeah, well, it's like I say, it's sloppy but predictable.
Yeah, sloppy but predictable.
I know when I enter
like
turns.
Your old drunken aunt. Sloppy but predictable. Largely benign. Mostly harmless.
Mostly harmless.
This is a grandpa car. Like, there should be no enthusiastic driving.
No.
I know that's hard for you.
It's a bit of a battle. It's kind of a if in doubt, pedal down sort of motto.
Poor old thing. It drives pretty good. I don't know if the tires make it better. Like,
no, they added a vibration actually. Up front, I think, because of those washers, I think I could work a little harder on getting that set right, but I haven't. Round 5 hasn't happened yet.
That's right, so it's not bothering you that much.
No.
It's a good back roads cruiser though.
But I do.
One finger on the wheel.
Oh yeah, it's effortless.
Yeah.
Greetings from Thorsby.
Thorsby.
Thanks for the
this was not
entertainment.
mailed. I found this on
Keep
the
it
hood
up.
of my car.
Luke. And he gave you his email address.
Good. Thanks, Luke, buddy.
Nice piece of foam.
And it's...
Holy shit. That's a studio light. That's
What
fucking...
in the hell?
That's for your green screen issues, man. That's what
That's
that's
not
for.
for real.
For sure. Move that box there. That is something else.
What in the hell?
That thing's intense. I've never seen one this big.
Jeez, you could light up the whole goddamn yard with that. Well,
Yeah,
I
you
gotta
should.
find out a way to hang that from my pole.
That's amazing. That thing's heavy duty.
That's
That's like a stadium light, man.
I've never seen
Hey,
anything like that.
Can Industrial. Fucking right. That thing is sweet.
Just for perspective, you're loading up for like,
A magazine.
yeah. So it's like 11 by 17 on the lens here.
Here it is for perspective.
There we go.
Here's your perspective
Half
shot.
of an L long. By
Here's
a
the
quarter.
diagonal.
The diagonal is 1 farthing. Well, thanks, Luke. I don't even know what to say. I'm a little. It's funny. I was just shopping for this kind of thing, and
You didn't
there it
go
is.
as big.
no, I was not looking at these.
All the more reason
Crazy.
you should.
We gotta
perhaps-
light that shit.
All the more reason.
Oh,
you
we
should
could light
open
up the
mail.
whole lot.
All the more reason you should open.
I should open the mail
okay?
more than once a
Because
year.
like
Yeah.
when you're looking for things, you might actually already have it here, thanks to somebody.
I know
named
that's a
Luke.
bit of a shocker. Yeah.
That's something.
Thanks, man. Wow. Make it nicer to film outside at night too.
Right.
Armchair blowdown. Yeah, who finally? I think Steven finally took the bottom end out of it.
No, I was sitting in it. It was going. I'm like, I gotta get the fuck out of
You
here.
can't get out.
It's coming apart.
You got some heavy
Garbage.
foam.
Okay, we trying this later. What?
Can you hold on to this, or am I the ground?
No, it works fine. It's insanely bright though. So are we ready? Or like, are you gonna?
Are you
build this up?
serious?
It's fucking bright, man. So
Like, are we gonna have like a problem with the government if we turn this
If you
on?
start
All right, let's hit it.
You
I have
ready?
no idea. I'm not.
You
Okay,
wait,
I'm
there's a lot
filming.
of capacitors in here. You watch how long this thing takes to absorb that energy. Ready?
Okay, go.
Count to
I'm
it.
afraid. I'm
3,
kind of
2,
afraid.
1.
Snap!
Oh my.
Oh my god!
It's like daylight.
Holy shit!
Turn it down, Jesus Christ!
I don't think there
Airplanes
is a
are gonna
down.
land. No, point it at the ground.
Like that?
Yeah, there. No.
No,
Like-
no, you gotta see how far down the driveway you can go.
Oh, that's too. No, but you're like people over there are gonna see that. That's way.
It's pretty friggin' bright, man.
Holy, let me back out on the camera here.
Yeah,
Like,
it's a
look at this. It's like pitch black over here. Oh man. No, don't fucking turn
Well, fuck, they have spotlights in the world. You're allowed this. Instead
No.
of point it up, get the bomber
point
in the
it up.
sights.
They're already
Maybe in the
watching.
88s.
Now they think we're watching back.
Our new moth
Moth.
channel starting soon. Oh, it's smoking.
No,
No,
it
you
doesn't
got
get
it in
hot.
front of the bugs thing.
Oh.
We're trying
Or
to
is
get
the bug thing?
Yeah, it's over
Look
here.
at this, like they're fighting each other. We got a mosquito coil and a 300-watt spotlight side by side.
Yeah, you're gonna
How
fade
we
your
lighten up
paint
the
with this
house
thing, eh?
Right now.
Look at that car had fresh paint and we parked it there.
You can see the color of the interiors of the cars out there.
No, it's spooky. Yeah,
Like, that's
Well,
incredible,
you can,
right?
You can spot the
Like
bad.
now it's impossible, but
There,
boom.
there you go. Yeah, it looks cool. Eh? Just
Amazing.
yeah.
Totally daylight.
That's so
I'm trying that
much.
straight up Mothra.
Well, the
Don't
stars
shine it
just
straight up.
disappear. Look,
Stop it!
it's gonna lose it.
Oh man, that's
We're
awesome.
gonna angle a little bit over there. We're gonna get the front end.
Oh, I see a B-17.
Right.
Okay, it's Tuesday night. Tuesday slipping by. That moth is just burning himself down. Tractor not finished. Tractor has to be finished by Saturday, and Friday's editing. So that means tractor has to be ready to go in the next 2 days.
A little bit of work ahead of
Okay. But the light, spectacular. Anyway, we're gonna turn this off before the helicopters land. When we start this car on fire.
you. That is amazing.
He's a regular contributor.
Same old shit.